Good morning. I apologise for the wind noise, but so just behind me there, I've ridden up this track, and I'm trying not to show you what I want to show you. So I rode up this track, and then like right to the edge here, and I just had the biggest heart attack ever. Okay, so where I'm staying, I've decided to stay another night to go back on myself a little bit to come see this lake, which is Quilotoa Lake. It's like a Quilotoa loop. I think it's called the Quilotoa. Anyway, so I come to see this lake, and to be honest with you, I thought it was just going to be a lake. Look. That is why I had the biggest heart attack. I came straight up the track and I stopped right on the edge. And even here I don't like, because it's like when you're in the snow and you're on the edge, you know, and you think, well, is it just going to break away? I mean, we have got stuff similar to this, but there'd be fences all the way along here. You wouldn't be able to get this close. I could, if I wanted to, I could just walk off. But common sense says don't do that. Probably shouldn't be this close either. But look at this. Wow. I'm actually, yeah, wow. I didn't know what to expect. I know it's a lake, but that's a serious badass lake. I think you could just walk all the way around if you wanted to. You can walk down. It just didn't seem to care though. Like I can ride my motorbike all the way around here. If I wanted to, which is cool. But yeah, so come here.